beautiful view. Beautiful, beautiful round bales. So, we're in the field that is the furthest away from the farm right now. So, I got my buddy Dusty down there with his 4440 and his Claas 360 round baler, which, like I said, they are just making some beautiful, beautiful round bales. I'm going around and I'm knocking these two. I'm putting two windrows together. I'm trying to stay ahead of them with the rake. God, they're beautiful bales. So yeah, I'm trying to put two windrows together and I'm trying to stay ahead of him. So there's actually some pretty nice hay. Like I said, this is the field that's the furthest away from the farm, so it needs cow manure is what it needs for fertilizer, but maybe this year, we'll see. Like I said, it's the furthest away and it's straight up this long, long, long hill, so it's a process to bring the whole manure up here, but we'll take some video of them round baling. I got the 2940. Obviously the cat's been walking on the hood. A wonderful cat that likes to come out and hang out in the shop. I got the old 258 New Holland roll bar rake. That thing is old. It's older than me and my kids put together, I believe. But hey, we're about to see a bale come out. It is a variant 360 roto cut. We're not having them roto cut, obviously. Let's see if he looks. Come on. You can see yourself on. There he goes. Now when you're watching, Dusty, you can see yourself baling. That is a beautiful tractor. Basically, I come one way, rake it in, turn around, come back the other way, turn another row in. Oh, this field is bouncy. I see he's up top changing the, oh, you can't really see him now. He's up top changing his wrap. It's coming up on me quick, so I gotta keep going. It's like a NASCAR race here. He can go a lot faster than I can. I get raking too fast. You got a little breeze, you can see where my dad missed a little pass, but you see there's some wind in the air, so get too much of a breeze and you get going too fast, it'll start throwing this hay all over the place, and I want to keep it in a row, so. Changing the roll. That's it. Dusty had to leave, go back to his farm and start some chores. He says he's coming up to finish this. He's only got 3 rows left to go. 2 of them are pretty thick. I made sure to put a lot of hay in it. But like I was saying earlier, this is our furthest field away from the farm, and it's up a long hill too, so it doesn't get much manure at all. It needs some cow manure. It's beautiful hay, it's just a little on the thin side. But anyway, it still made quite a few bales. So this old New Holland rake is still going. It's pretty simple. As you go, it fluffs up the hay into a nice windrow. You have two hand. Look at how old these handles are. It just shows you how old this thing is. But anyway, you do counterclockwise or clockwise to raise it. I can't talk. Counterclockwise to lower it. Obviously, I'm not holding a camera when I do, so I already raised that. I use both hands to do it at the same time, so it's nice and level. And then you pull this lever back. Again, something. This lever, which we have a nice handy dandy homemade lever, comes back. You pull this cable, and now it is in neutral, and it won't go when I move. But so. My buddy had to run back and start some chores at his farm, so he's got just a couple of rows left, and he's all set. This is his tractor. Beautiful, beautiful tractor. This is a great baler. I love this baler. It has done a great job. It's made some really nice bales. That's solid. Really nice hay. Heading down the road, heading back from the field, heading to the barn. And while we're going down the road, I figure I'd duck in here and see how the other field made. How it made out. Here's the field I plowed up the other day. That's in another video. Beautiful bales. I'm really happy with the hay bales. Go up to the middle of the field here and see if I can get a count. He's not done with it, the other field yet, but so far we got 37 out of that one. And there's a lot of hay in these bales. They are tight. These are some really tight bales. Oh yeah. God, that is tight. Nice hay. Smells good out here. Got 21 at this upper part of the field. 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Jeez, let me do that again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 32 in this field, so far 37 in the other ones. There's probably a few more bales there, so we're gonna be 32, 37, is that 70 now? Probably have 80 round bales altogether. Maybe not quite 80. 75, 76. Not a bad day's work. Plus we did some square bales down at the other field, so pretty productive day, I'd say. Looks like we beat the weather, knock on wood. Time to head back to the barn. God, it smells great out here after this hay's all been baled up. My favorite bales to stack. Time to head down the road. So, back down at the farm. Got things put away. Got the 45 back inside with the baler. We got a wagon of square bales that didn't get unloaded, so we got everything but one done. So not a bad day. I got 3 wagons of square bales done, and as of right now, it's just almost 70 bales. So like I said up before, probably around 76 we're gonna get, close to 80. That's a pretty good day of baling right there. Gonna rain on the weekend, so it was great to get it done, and time to call the day. Thanks everybody, I appreciate you checking out the video. Thumbs up if you like the video. Drop me a comment below. Check me out on Instagram and say hello, Mike P7810. Hit that subscribe button if you have. Thumbs up to you, I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time.